Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Baratza sette 270 WI grinder. Now for this grinder, it was broken here because it wasn't grinding at all. Nothing was showing up. Every time you press any of these buttons, nothing was grinding at all. So as you can see now, it's actually showing you how many grams you want, and you can just pretty much start grinding right away. It was a little too much for this portafilter, more than 80 grams for sure. Probably the basket is a little bit smaller. As you can see, this one is a bottomless portafilter, but the quality of the grind, perfect. And as you can see, working perfectly fine with or without the portafilter. And there you have it. Baratza sette 270 WI working once again. So thank you for the permanent Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.